in order to find out if you can go from side hustle to a full-time coffee shop or coffee truck or trailer or cart, what you really need to know is what your budget is, how much your monthly bills are, and then you can start projecting on how to move over. So let's say, for example, you need, I don't know, $4,000 a month in your pocket. Then one of the things that I would look at is I would say, okay, well, how much am I making off of this side hustle? If you're doing like a farmer's market, we'll just say every other weekend, and you're making $1,000. Okay, well, that's $2,000 so far. Maybe you might want to do some catering, some events, book some, realtors or mortgage companies, that type of stuff, and they pay you $500 an event, either by the hour or by the cup, however you need to arrange that. But we'll just say $500 an event. If you do 3 of those a week, that puts you at $1,500 a week. So 3 of those a week, $1,500 a week times 4 weeks is $6,000. When you add in your $2,000 from your farmer's market, puts you at roughly $8,000. Now that's just pure gross. You still got to deduct your cost of goods, your monthly expenses, taxes. But it gives you at least somewhat of a concept of like, okay, if I'm pulling in $1,000 every other week off of my weekend events, plus 3 events per week on my weekday events, then that'll give me roughly $8,000 gross. And then from there, you can see, okay, that comes out to roughly $5,000 net, or whatever your bills are. You got to run your own numbers. But at least gives you some concept on what it would take to go from this weekend event where you're doing farmers markets to this full-time thing where you're starting to work, you're looking at leaving your day job, so to speak. So my name is Vincent with Green Joe Coffee School. We help people start these businesses. I've been in business 10 years now. I've been helping people out for over 8. And we have a website where we teach everybody on different things, coffee carts, trucks, trailers. We've got all kinds of different courses. So come check it out. Grab the free step-by-step checklist. It's a wonderful way to start. And yeah, I hope to be talking to you folks soon. Thanks for tuning in.